Affordable, compact, wireless microphone for your smartphones. Lewinner Lavalier Wireless Microphone. Let's review this. What's good, guys? My name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On channel. So, the Lewinner company, probably it's Lewinner, but I think it's Lewinner. They sent me this unit for review, and let's start with the box itself. It's a pretty small and compact box. I think it's overexposed on my top-down camera. And in the box we have two this pop filters, pretty small ones, but they are okay. A USB Type-C cable for charging, the DATCAT, the small one, which is pretty stiff in your actual microphone, also the adapter for your PC, or basically a computer, and you can use this microphone as your remote wireless audio system with your computer. Then here we have the lightning adapter, USB-C to lightning, and a little very short cable for monitoring your audio, and this little carrying case. In this case we have the microphone itself and the USB-C kind of receiver, I guess. And also here we have the little indication for your battery and the USB Type-C connector to charge this unit. It charges in the case itself. And on the microphone, let's put it out of the box. It's a pretty compact little microphone, very lightweight, and we have a little clamp to put it onto your shirt. In a few minutes we'll do this. And here we have the on-off button and the volume knobs, kind of a gain knobs, minus and plus. We have 7 steps of gain, if I'm not mistaken. I think I'm not. It has wireless 2.4G connection, doesn't need an app. Also, it has 48 kHz city quality, plug and play, we don't need anything to basically make it work, and it's okay for live webcasting and streaming. So let's listen to the sound. Okay, guys, and now it's time to test the microphones. Now you hear the sound from this Lewinner microphone. It sounds not the best as far as I understand, but for wireless microphone for your smartphones, it's pretty okay. Now let's try to listen to a small portion with Rode Wireless Go, with Lewinner microphone, and with my regular Sennheiser MKE600, which is right here. So let's go. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. He's vomit on a sweater already, mom's spaghetti, he's nervous. But on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opened his mouth but the words won't come out. He's joking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's for now. Time's up. Over. Blow. Something went wrong. Let me see the screen recording. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. Check, check, mic check. Yeah, I have a little earphone right here. It's lagging a little bit, like 2 or 3 frames. And I can hear myself basically, and you can hear the result, at least something, with something that's in the kit. And when you plug this to your computer, you can go to your settings and choose this one as your regular microphone. And here is the pop filter, and let's listen to the sound with the pop filter on. Peter Piper picked some pickled black peppers. Pretty enough for Plausive's test. And I've made a big test outside, the range test and all that stuff, the sound quality test. Let's watch the test and then we'll conclude. And now it's time for the test outside. Now I have the Rode Wireless Go without any lavalier mic on my chest with the DATCAT. Also the Lewinner microphone with the DATCAT as well. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max without any microphones, just the built-in microphone. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. He's vomit on a sweater already, mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting. Not to make it to 1, 2, 3 mic check, guys. Guys, I've watched the footage right now and I understood that the Lewinner microphone just lost the signal as soon as I turned my back to the microphone. Ну что, пойдем прогуляемся. Проверка звука. So we'll do one more test. I'll be going backwards, so there will be no obstacles between the receiver and transmitter. So let's try this out. 1, 2, 3 mic check. Eminem part.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, he's vomit on a sweater already, mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. How everybody's joking now, the clock's run out, time over now. 20 meters, 25 maybe. Let's go a little further. 1, 2, 3, mic check. Reality. Snap back to reality. Oh, the ghost rabbit, I almost fallen. So now it's around 40 meters. I guess it's more than enough for this tiny little microphone system. And let's go back to the cameras. I hope it was better now, because you don't want to turn your back to this microphone. Actually, it was less than 10 meters. I turned my back and the signal was lost. That's a pity. So guys, this is the conclusion. I think you've made a decision by yourself in terms of sound quality, the comparison with Rode Wireless Go, and with everything else. In terms of price, this is around $50 to maybe $55, $60. It's an AliExpress. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Pretty good kit. Wind protection, you know, pop filters and all that stuff. And thank you, Lewinner, for sending me this kit. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, as I say in my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget about the notifications bell, because what's wrong with my tongue today? Because a lot of great content is coming up. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.